What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be sharing here with you guys how to create a joint account for crypto with your partner and you don't know how to do it or if it's possible. Well, the fact is there's no exchange right now at this current moment that lets you have a joint account for buying crypto and holding crypto. And in this video I'll be showing you guys how to literally buy any crypto out there in the world and have a joint account and create it and organize it and all that stuff. So let's just say in the future Coinbase adds a way for you to have a joint account with your partner, right? Well, the thing is you're still going to be very limited because you can only buy those cryptos that are on Coinbase or whichever exchange that allows the joint account. Well, this way that I'm going to show you guys here lets you have any crypto in this joint account. The app that you will need is called CoinStab's Crypto Portfolio. As you guys can see right here, it's on the App Store. I think it's also on Android. I'll leave the links in the description below. Okay, so after you get this app, it is very simple to use. I'm gonna show you guys here exactly what I do and how to go about this because there's some certain steps here that are very specific. So just stay tuned here. So as soon as you get the app, you guys will see here in the lower tabs, there are a couple tabs here. The one that you want to focus on is portfolio. Okay, and here in portfolio, you can create multiple portfolios. You can create one just for you and your crypto or a joint portfolio. So right when you get it, you want to go to new portfolio and you want to create a portfolio. Now the thing is you can connect your wallet, but I don't recommend this because I'd rather add the crypto manually. I'm going to show you guys here how to do it because it's just more safer and I really don't trust any app connecting to my wallet and seeing all my transactions, right? So you want to click add manually. Here you want to put the portfolio title. And right here, you can just call it joint portfolio. I'm just going to call it YouTube portfolio just for this example here that I'm showing you guys. And then right here, the total cost, that's optional. You don't have to add that. Calculate amount on total. You can definitely have that on. You're going to click add and then boom, right here, it's one of my portfolios. Like I said, you can have multiple ones. This is one of them. So here's the thing, guys. You can create this portfolio for your partner to share it. And how would you go about this? So let's say, for example, you guys are going to contribute to this portfolio. Let's say $1,000 in total from both of you guys a month, right? So I put 500 and the partner puts 500. And then let's say you're going to buy some Bitcoin, for example, right? All you have to do is go right here to add transaction. And here they have all the cryptos that you can imagine, guys. This is why I say that you can add all the cryptos like Safe Moon. You have literally all the cryptos that you can imagine right over here, even the very low cap coins. So let's do Bitcoin, for example, again. Click on Bitcoin. And right here, you could either put as you just bought it right now, as you just sold it, or if you're already holding it. Okay, so let's say I just bought it right now. Here you're just gonna put the amount. Let's say I bought. When you buy it, you're gonna see how much that Bitcoin was that you bought it for. So let's say it was around that much. Here you can just keep the date and time. It's gonna keep the live price. This tracks the live price, so it'll be very accurate. You're gonna click add. It's gonna add it to your portfolio. Boom, right there. And then you just add for your partner, or you can add it both summed up for you and your partner in just one transaction. Now this is very important where it says the amount that you hold because you will always know how much the amount of crypto that you hold for that specific crypto in this joint portfolio. So you can have your own exchange account and your partner can have their own exchange account, right? And they could buy the cryptos and then you can use this app as a joint portfolio to track exactly how much you're contributing to this joint portfolio. And then when it's time to sell, you can see, oh, look, this is how much we both have in our joint portfolio. Now, one very important thing to know too, guys, is that you want to make sure you divide it equally. So you divide the cryptos equally. So let's say, for example, here you have 100 XRP. Make sure you buy 50 and they buy 50, right? And you know exactly that it's basically divided equally. So when you do decide to sell it, you're basically going to sell, for example, 50 XRP because you have half of that, and they're going to sell 50 XRP because you know that it's divided equally. That's the only little detail, but this app is amazing because it literally tracks it for you. And what I love too is the fact that you can link share. Look, if you click right here at the top, link sharing. This is awesome because you can add your partner to this portfolio. You just add the link and then they join it and then they're able to basically edit it as well and view it as well. This at the moment is the only app that lets you do this. I think there's some other one that lets you also track your portfolio, but this one lets you share it with somebody else, and it also has a wide variety of crypto. And this app is also very good as well. You can do some research here on cryptos, which ones are performing the best, 24-hour report. And that's basically how you do it, guys. I hope to help you guys out. Join my Facebook crypto group, my Discord, Telegram, it'll all be in the description below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.